Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Facebook and going straight to Settings, then access your Facebook information. Once there, tap Activity Log to surface a chronological record of what you've done. This is necessary because Facebook doesn't expose a single Clear Visited Pages button. You must remove entries individually or by type. Make sure you're on the account that recorded the visits. Proceed now to filter the log so you only see page visits, which speeds up removal and avoids deleting unrelated activity. Once you've opened Activity Log, use the Filters menu to narrow results to pages, page visits, or logged actions and other activity. This isolates visited pages. Then, review entries. Tap the circle or use Select All when provided to mark multiple items. This saves time. If entries show a page visit, choose Delete or Remove. If they show a follow or like, choose Unlike or Unlike and remove the action. Doing this clears the recorded visits and stops them appearing in your log going forward. After removing selected entries, confirm each deletion and then refresh Activity Log to verify the pages no longer appear. If you used a browser, clear cookies and site data to remove cached traces. Make sure you have passwords saved elsewhere before clearing. Finally, consider limiting off Facebook activity in settings to reduce future records. This won't remove past page visits, but will cut external data flowing to your account. If entries reappear, log out, restart the app, and repeat the deletions. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.